Hi guys, it's Jasmine, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, hello, hope you subscribe and stick around for more. In today's video, we're going to be testing out a teeth whitening product. I don't know about you, but I've been seeing this product everywhere. I clicked on one advert and this just won't disappear. Every single one of my adverts, this little HiSmile product is appearing. So naturally, the ads got to me and I purchased. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't actually think it's going to work. I mean, the science is there. I can understand the logic behind it, but the idea of only brushing your teeth for 2 minutes with a product, I'm not seeing it. You have to leave purple shampoos in your hair longer to get rid of yellow brassy tones. How could this possibly work on your teeth? That is the question that I will be answering in today's video. So let's talk a little bit about the product before we start using it. The actual product is from HiSmile and it is the V34 color corrector. This is claiming to be a little tooth serum that basically just color corrects your yellow tones in your teeth to whites. We've all seen the adverts. They literally apply it with their finger over their teeth, they rinse it off, and they are bright white. Is it actually real? Let's debunk it. If you did want to pick one up for yourself, they are £19 each, which I feel like if it works, great. £19 well spent. Equally, if it doesn't, that's £19. That's a shiridashi ramen and a Coke right there. So let's read the instructions together. Directions for use. Apply 2 pumps to a soft bristle toothbrush. Gently brush in a circular motion for 2 minutes. Expel excess and rinse mouth after. Do not swallow. So these instructions are super simple to follow, super easy. I feel like this is a very achievable thing. Does it really work? After just one use, your teeth are meant to be whiter. So my teeth as a whole, they're not exactly the whitest, they're just normal, natural, healthy teeth. So let me give you a good before of what my teeth look like. This is the most forced smile I think I've ever done. Like I said, just normal, natural teeth. So I'm gonna go into the bathroom and we're gonna test this little bad boy out. I do actually have extremely sensitive teeth, so I have no idea if this is gonna hurt or not. I'm really hoping for not. Toothbrush has been acquired. I also got some toothpaste because I feel like we should probably brush our teeth first. Better to be prepared. That was messed up. Wow. Okay, here they are. It's just 2 pumps straight onto the toothbrush, brush my teeth. Easy as that. This is the easiest teeth whitening I've ever done in my life. That is really blue. Like, wow, okay. Here we go. Oh my good lord. Oh yeah, this is my new look. I feel like I'm getting it all over my skin. Oh my god, that is so purple. Let's see the results. I personally can't see a huge difference, except for the fact my bottom lip and my gum line is now purple. She is slightly brighter. I feel like it's probably brightened my teeth more than it's whitened them. Does that make any sense to anybody else but me? I don't know. There is some colour difference. I'm gonna go compare the before and afters to really see if there is a difference. And I'm also gonna check out my gum line because that is really purple. And we're back. After actually comparing the before and after, there is a considerable difference. My teeth do look brighter. However, this is kind of giving me a toner vibe. It's giving me a really similar vibe to like you would tone your hair when you wash it with purple shampoo. It gives you like a sudden brightness, but it's not a permanent one. And it also dyes everything in sight purple. Like my bottom lip is now purple. My gum line is now purple. Like there are purple hues everywhere. So yes, it definitely did brighten my teeth. I don't know if it whitened them. I think it's more of a temporary thing. Like if you're going on a night out and maybe you just want a brighter, whiter smile, perfect. But I definitely don't think this is a permanent solution. Maybe if you used it every day, I don't really know if it's damaging your teeth or not. So I feel like this is definitely a good temporary solution to whiter teeth. Was it worth £19? Yeah, it does work. It does brighten your teeth temporarily. It's super fast, it's super easy to use. It's great for sensitive teeth. I have extremely sensitive teeth, didn't feel a thing, felt fine. It's fairly affordable, not overpriced. Like for what it does exactly what it says on the bottle. It brightens your teeth. It smells and tastes nice. It's not minty, but it's like It's nice, it's pleasant. And as somebody that has a genuine aversion to mint, I can't stand the taste of mint. It gets me. She's nice, so if you're not a mint flavor kind of girl, this is for you. Okay, let's move on to the cons. It's a temporary fix. Very similar to when you tone your hair with a purple shampoo. It temporarily gets rid of the brass. And this feels like a very similar product. It is going to temporarily brighten and whiten your teeth. But let's be real, if you eat something or if you drink something that is going to stain your teeth, the white is just going to wash away. So realistically, longevity, she's not really got it. Number 2, I don't really know what's in it. Like, if this is gonna damage my teeth, I have no idea. I'm not entirely sure if it's the thing that you should be using every single day when you brush your teeth. Number 3, it has stained everything in sight. So yeah, fair enough. It does work. My teeth are brighter. They're slightly whiter. My gum line and my lips are now purple. We have a purple hue. Don't love that. So as long as you don't mind that purple hue, it's fine. I have also stained the towel that I wipe my mouth with. So would I actually recommend buying this product? Like, it does work. It genuinely does work. If you want a temporary whiter smile, this is the product for you. And for £19, it's not crazy. It's not outrageous. It does exactly what it says. The one thing I will say about this is I think the adverts are very extreme to the results that you're actually gonna get. It's not a very realistic look into what's gonna happen. But that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what your thoughts are. Love to see you. Bye.